Hello friends, welcome to Vishwa Tech Logic YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to share you the 5 important WhatsApp security tips and tricks. So before going to the video, please just subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification from our channel. So watch the full video, and if you have any doubts, please do comment down below. So open your WhatsApp. Once you open the WhatsApp, just click on the 3 lines right top corner and click on the settings, and click on here, just click on the accounts and just click on the privacy. So as you can see here, commonly we come to the settings commonly, but just scroll down below. So there are 4 options which are available here, so no one will change the settings. So in this video I am going to detailedly explain about these 4 options. So first of all, groups nothing but friends, you can manage your groups. Like if anyone want to add your number to any group, so if you keep everyone, so anyone can add you to any group. So it is better to keep in my contacts. So my contacts nothing but, so if your friend have your number, so that only he can add to the group. So if you want a targeted person not to add your number to any group, so you can just click on my contact accept. So you can select that member so that contact number cannot be added further to any other groups. So you can join to the invitation code, that is the second thing. But if you add like this, they can't add to the group without your permission. So first option is this, and the second option is live location. So as you can see here, you are not sharing the live location in any chats. So for example, when we share the live location with our friends, so commonly we keep it as always, like time we will not mention any time, it will keep lifetime. So when we keep like this, so commonly when we are sharing the live location, so if we hide the notification, WhatsApp notification, so when we are hiding the notification, what happened is, so in middle something like when we hide the notification, we won't know that when the other person is tracking us. So you can check this location, live location, from here. So whoever you are tracking, the contact will be displayed here, so that if you want to manage or if you want to remove, you can remove from here. So, and also the block contact. So if you want to block any numbers or else you want to see the block list, so just you come to here, so you can visit here. So if you want to add, so you can, as you can see here, there is an option to add in right top corner, so you can add it to block anyone. So, and also the fourth option is so fingerprint. So you can, if you want to enable the fingerprint, just come here, just click on it, so just enable it. So enter your if you want to enable the fingerprint, just click on it. So unlock the fingerprint, and if you want to keep automatic lock, so you can keep immediately after 1 minute, after 30 minutes, you can keep anything and you can come back to test it. And the fifth option is, friends, this is the most important thing. So commonly we do not save any WhatsApp numbers, just we will share the numbers. Like if you want to text to anyone, we will just, like there are some applications which are available in the Play Store, so we can directly enter the number, so we can just text to them. So we no need to install any third-party application, friends. Just I will give the link in the description, you can copy it, and also there is a number which is available, +91 887224045. This is my number. So if you want to text to anyone, so you can erase the number like this, just keep the +91 and enter your friend number and just send the message. So once you send the message, just click on it. So as you can see here, the message is redirect to my mobile number 8722, which is, so as you can see here, so this is my mobile number 872240. So without saving the contact, you can just directly message to this number. So for that, just you need to have this http://wa.me. So I will show the link also. So as you can see here, wa.me/ 91 is compulsory friends. So this is our country code, so you can enter the 10-digit mobile number. So without saving the number you can send this message. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, please do share this video with your friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you friends, thank you for watching this video.